A 15-calorie meal prep plan is widely used for a jump start on a calorie-deficient meal plan for females, according to Dietary Guidelines for Americans by the USDA. But what does all that entails? Hi, this is Kelly from Isolator Fitness and welcome to our channel. I am excited today to talk about the best 1,500-calorie meal prep plan, even if you have tried them all. According to Dietary Guidelines for Americans by the USDA, if a person reduces their calorie intake by 500 to 1,000 calories per day, they are likely to lose 1 to 2 pounds of weight per week. For most women, this comes down to an intake of 1,200 to 1,500 calories per day. Of course, these are figures that are not precise and accurate for every single person. The number of calories you need depends on many factors, including physical activity, gender, age, weight loss goals, and overall health. There are a few tips that you can do to help combat hunger as your body adjusts to the new lifestyle. The first tip is to drink a full glass of water for each meal and eat slowly. If you eat too fast, your sense of fullness doesn't get a chance to catch up with what you've eaten. You can also carry a small number of vegetables with you in the beginning, so if you need to snack, you can be snacking on a healthy option that won't completely take you off your 1,500-calorie meal plan. And of course, the most important tip is to prepare yourself mentally. It is necessary to take your actions not as torture, but rather a victory over yourself. Okay. Now the most exciting part, the meal plans. Our meal plans were created by our very own in-house Dr. Lane, PT, DBT. She created a cutting meal plan for women that offers 4 days of meals to get you started on your new healthy diet. Each day's consumption varies from 1,300 to 1,500 total calories and includes 3 full meals and 2 snacks. And because she's so wonderful, she created 4 different versions, so you can find the one that best suits you. Again, this may not fit everyone's needs, so it's important to adjust the meal plans to your body and your own health guidelines. Remember, no one is going to execute a rigid diet plan perfectly right off the bat. Sticking with it through slips and falls is what separates the winners from the losers. Following these simple meal plans will let you achieve actual results in a short amount of time, as long as you don't give up. We hope you enjoyed your video on the best 1,500-calorie meal prep plan, even if you've tried them all. And don't forget to like this video and click below to subscribe. Also, you can find your meal plan linked in the description below. Click below to see for yourself.